Welcome to the Resco user interface tutorial. We divided this tutorial into 3 parts. In the part 1, we'll talk about branding, themes, and images. In the second part, we'll go through forms, more precisely, flexible forms, properties on forms, tables and grid, and images on form. And for the third part, views, different types of views, properties of views, images on views, and at the end, buttons and multi-select. Let's start with branding. The main reason is that it's one of the simplest options for customization. Using logo, company's colors, or even custom icons can result in an application that reflects your company's identity. So no matter if you are working on a demo for your prospect customer or working on application for yourself, this is the simplest way how to customize your app. So let's start with themes. In themes, we can define the color palette the application is using. To change predefined settings, go to Woodford. Open up your project. In the left project menu, go to Design part and click Theme. Now we are on a theme screen. Here on the right side, we see the color representation of each object on the screen. So let's take a title as an example. The blue color represents the text here, and the white color represents the background. Let's change it a little bit. So let's change the text. There are 2 options how to do this. Click here on the color representation or directly on the object. Let's change it to red and click OK. Now let's go through the top menu. When we click Custom Home, the new option in our colors will be displayed. This allows us to change the colors only for the home screen. So let's change the background, for example. It's represented by white color. Click, and let's choose something not too disturbing. For example, this color. OK. For the icon pack, you can import your own icon pack or choose from predefined packs. Choose one and click OK. Load present. You can import your own theme or choose from predefined templates. Here we have import and export. Let's take an example. You created a project where you liked your theme and you want to use it in a different project. So you can export the project. The project will be downloaded, and then for the different project you can import and use the same color palette as in the first project. That's it for the themes. Remember, when you made some change in the Woodford, you always have to save the application and publish the project. We can check the changes in the application. Synchronize. You always have to do this after changes has been made in the Woodford. Synchronize. Now we should see the change. As we can see, the color of the title has changed, and also the background has changed. This is how you can customize the colors in your application. Now let's go through images. Images. We have 2 types of images: dynamic images and project images. Dynamic images are related to your data. So for example, you have a customer and you have an image of the customer. On the other hand, project images are images used in your application. So for example, logo, icons, and so on. We'll focus mostly on the project images. To look at them or change them, go to Woodford. In the left project menu, go to Design part and Images. Now here we can see all the icons which are used in your application. They are categorized to different groups, for example, activity, buttons, call directions, and so on. If you don't know the exact name of the icon you're looking for, you can go to search bar and type the name of the icon. Let's go through some simple ways how you can change an icon. So let's say we want to change an icon of customers on the home screen. Simple way how to do this is to go to home screen. Now let's go to the contact click on the icon, and here we can choose different icons for contact. Or we can click here and upload our own image. So we prepare some images, upload, yes, and as you can see, the contact image, contact icon has been changed. Save the change, and this is the simple way how you can change the icon. If you want to change something else which is not on a home screen, go to images, and let's say we want to change synchronization command in the application. So we don't know where it is, so let's go to the search bar and type sync, and let's scroll down, and here we can see the synchronization in a command category. Now click here on the custom and upload your picture. Okay, here we can see the icon has been changed. Save, and click save and publish the project. Now let's go to the application. Here click synchronize. And as we can see, the synchronize command has been changed, and also the contact icon has been changed. This is a way how you can change the icons. We can also change the title of the application here, and all the information which you can see here in the About section in the app. Let's click. So let's go to the Woodford. And here in the log project menu, click on branding, and here we can see how all the information is categorized. So we have manufacturer, title, subtitle, icon, website, and support email. Support email is especially very important because when you are reporting an error and sending a log, it will be defaultly sent to the email here. So you should write an email for your system administrator here. Let's change the informations a little bit so we can see it in the application. And save. Publish. And now let's go to the application. Synchronize the app. Let's go to the About section. Click, and we can see the information has been changed. Thank you for your attention. This is everything for part 1. Let's see you in part 2.